Here's an interesting video. I'm comparing the Canon C200 with the Pixel 3. Canon C200, Pixel 3. Filming this at the same time, the exact same lighting. I would say we have very good lighting. And that's it. Pixel is super easy. Canon it's pretty easy. Compared to any other cinema camera, it doesn't get it easier than this. But what the Canon gives you is that blurry background. No blurry background here. And it gives you a lot more latitude and control. Easy to hook up mics to the Canon, right? This mic here. Not so easy to hook up a high quality mic to the Pixel, although, you know, when recording on the Pixel, people don't assume that you're going to be, they don't expect, you know, super high quality. Anyhow, that's it. I thought I'd give you a behind the scenes look of C200 video versus Pixel video. You decide what you think is better. All right, bye-bye.